the bell icon to be notified of future videos.
Good morning, everybody. This is an update on the Dyna Glo grab and go portable heater. I've been using this heater. I've left it outside for a couple of months now during the winter of 2022, and I've learned quite a few things about it. I was having a problem at first with certain tanks where if I left it run, it would blow out. Not blow out, it would actually blow itself out. If you look at the pilot light there, you see it's nice and blue and steady. If it starts to flicker, your tank has this knob up on the top there that is for turning on and off the gas. And if you turn it on all the way, it actually puts air pressure. I didn't know that. I've been using these tanks for many years. So the air pressure from the tank will build up and blow out the pilot light, turning off the heater. And excuse the dogs. They're constantly barking here. They're not my dogs. They're neighbor dogs. Bark at leaves dropping. In any case, if you just adjust the regulator on your tank, you'll find that this rarely goes out. It does go out from time to time from just a heavy gust of wind. Mind you, these are not designed for use outside like a campfire. That's the way I'm using it. But it's been outside all this time. Now, mind you, I have this tarp that I generally keep up. I made it where I can fold it down on warmer days, and it's going to be warmer today. It was yesterday and the day before, up in the 90s even. But it's still chilly in the mornings. So, I wouldn't leave it out in the rain. And the tarp protects it from rain when it's up. But in any case, this has been a true godsend for me. It's really inexpensive to run compared to this propane heater here, which doesn't even put out as much heat as this one. This Dyna Glo grab and go heater will one tank will last me a week, where the other one only lasts 9 hours. I don't know how many hours this thing will run on medium, which is what I'm running it on right now, but many. In any case, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I just wanted to let you know the way I regulate the tank to keep it from blowing out the pilot light is I adjust it just to where it'll keep the pilot lit, and I do that, and then I turn on the heater, and if it tries to go out, then I adjust the flame until it will sustain that flame, but and that way it never will blow out the pilot light. It still goes out once in a while from a gust of wind or something, but even when that happens, the safeguards on the heater, they turn the gas flow off, so there is no gas flow when that happens. There's no danger. It's really an awesome little system. It's got an O2 sensor And, I was noticing when I would be watching the pilot light, it would just start to disappear. And I noticed there was air pressure coming. I was wondering, where is that coming from? So I just decided, and it was only yesterday morning I finally figured this out, to try to do that. And I thought it was worth letting you know. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.